Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Squarespace extensions for no-code scheduling, full guide step-by-step clearly. To begin uninstalling your Squarespace extensions for no-code scheduling, log into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the website where the extension is installed. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on Extensions. A list of all installed extensions will appear. Find the extension you wish to uninstall. Hover over the extension's name to reveal additional options. Click on the Settings button next to the extension. Scroll down to the bottom of the Settings page. Here, you will find the Uninstall option. Click on Uninstall to proceed. A confirmation dialog will pop up asking if you are sure you want to uninstall this extension. Review the information provided in the dialog box. Click Confirm to complete the uninstallation process. Your extension will now be removed from your Squarespace site. To verify, return to the extensions list. The uninstalled extension should no longer be visible. If you have any remaining extensions to uninstall, repeat these steps as needed. Once finished, review your site's functionality to ensure everything is operating smoothly after the uninstallation. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled your Squarespace extensions for no-code scheduling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.